What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another day of trading. Another day, another dollar. I am Michael. Today is, Thursday, February 8th. It is about 12:41 in the afternoon here on the West Coast. Put on a couple good earnings trades yesterday. Closed them all at a profit, which I am super stoked about. So let's get into it and see exactly what happened. And then we will do a portfolio review. So, guys, first, what I want to talk about is save. So I'm actually going to throw this down. Just in the last 2 minutes of talking with you, my P&L dropped by $3. So had I closed this maybe 5 minutes ago before I set up this call, I would have squeezed out a profit of $40. So do I want to keep it alive or not? So if you remember, I put on this trade, over a month ago? Almost a month, like a month ago. And I just kept rolling and rolling and rolling. So now I'm sitting at a 37% or a $37 profit, which is about 37% of the initial credit received. I was aiming for 50 cents or basically 50 cents, which is 50% profit. I'm not going to be greedy, guys. If we look at this chart, look at this. Let's do the daily. Look at this. I'm so profitable even though I'm below the 7.5 strike. So let's just take this off. I'm a little upset about the collecting only, let's see, what is it? 30. Okay, 38. So $2 less. Oh, it went up to 141. Let's see if we can get filled. Man, guys, I'm getting 35. Wow, I lost $5, man. Should have done it earlier. That's the name of the game. I'm not getting filled, so let's just let it sit for now. We have 15 minutes or so before the market closes. HOG was a great one, guys. So I put the trade on right before the close yesterday. We had barely a minute left to go. Sold it for 24, bought it back for 3 cents, so I profited $21. So quick, easy done. It took a while to get filled this morning. We got an up move in HOG. It was only about 1%, I think is what it was in the morning. It's still trading about 1% up from yesterday anyhow. So I finally got filled. It took a while to let this thing sit. HOG, that was awesome. We did, where's the other one? So UAA, Under Armour. This one, guys, made me a little nervous. I sold a strangle. This one, barely moved. So if we look at the actual intraday chart of UAA, so you'll see here we got a pretty big, it's not a huge move, but it was a sharp down move here at the open, and it was basically trading within range. So I basically let this thing sit. I squeezed out a $15 profit, which isn't anything to scream about, but we're looking for singles, maybe some doubles, not a home run or grand slam because this is a smaller trading account. So I'm pretty happy with what I see here. If I would have held later, I probably could have squeezed out an extra 2 cents, but guys, I'm not here to pinch pennies, at least not in this moment. So that's what we got for the earnings. Save, I'm still having trouble getting filled. I don't really want to hold on to this. So basically, an earnings was announced and the stock didn't move yesterday. So I held it through earnings. I just want to get out. I don't know if I want to stay in the stock anymore and squeeze everything out that I can. Let me just move on. So I can't get filled at 143. Sometimes if I take an order out, put it back in, let's see. Guys, this stock is moving around. Let me see here. Lifetime, baby. Let's see if we can get filled. I might have to walk it up from the 142 to the 143. Sometimes though, when I cancel or replace it, it actually fills. I don't know if that has anything to do with just a coincidence in timing. Oh yeah, look at this. It's all over the map. Oh guys, this is ridiculous. See if we can get filled. Let's see. 149. 148 would give me only a $30 profit. I don't know, guys. Let's sit with it for a minute. So moving on. FXI. So this one here, nothing really to do. I mean, we got the 2% down move. If we hop in there, we're still sitting pretty center. I'm not going to make any adjustments here. So right now I'm sitting at a P&L of what? 27% of the initial credit. So not bad. Let's let that one go. Intel, guys, I keep getting it just keeps hurting my heart. I'm not going to make many adjustments here right now. We still have 36 days to go. So I could, let's see. Does it make sense to roll this call down to straddle? No, because we're still at the 19 delta. I'm going to let this one sit as well. IWM, this one, guys, still right in the center. No moves to be made. Snap, this one is just the long call. I didn't want to have to buy this one back for a penny debit, because even if this expires in the money, I'll make money. So TLT, guys, this one I've been working with for many days. Many days. So it's been about a month. Let's see, the chart isn't populating. Give it a second. All right, guys, doesn't seem like this is populating for me, so we'll have to just take the word for it here. So we're sitting at the 14 delta on the short call. I'm going to leave it, guys. I'm going to leave it. If we roll it down, it doesn't make sense to roll it just one strike down. I mean, I collect an extra 9 cents maybe. I still want to give myself enough upward movement, enough room for an upward movement. So let's see. What do we want to do today? Let's see. Which stock are we going to? Let's see. Do we want to do an ETF play? I was looking at, let's see, GDX. Oh, man, I missed the play on GDX or GDXJ. Basically, the IV percentile was much higher a few days ago. But let's see if we can get anything out of this. Let's stick in the 36-day cycle. No, I don't like what I'm seeing here, guys. Let's see. Do we want to do the weekly, not the monthly? Let's see. No, it's definitely not liquid enough. The markets aren't tight enough. So let's just work on getting this save filled. I'm not too happy with it here. Man, this is bumming me out, guys. Could have collected an extra 12 cents, $12 had I not waited. But that's the name of the game. So let's see what we can do. Maybe I can close. You can see here the spread, it's so wide. 149. Total P&L. So let's just try for 148, guys, and let it sit. And if it hits, it hits. Oh, great. Filled at 146. Boom, 32. I'll take it, guys. I'll take it. I'm not going to cry anymore over that extra 8 cents or the $8 that I missed out on. So that's it for today. It seems like, so right now I have 1,700 in buying power. I don't see anything right now that I want to put on, at least from the ETF space. I'm going to let it sit. There are some more earnings coming out that I'm a little excited about in the next few days. Nothing today that I can put on because my buying power is still pretty low. But overall, pretty good day. You can see we were up $66 for the day. So I'm back in the green for the day. So we'll keep monitoring it. And as always, thanks guys for tuning in. If you haven't yet already, any questions, comments, ideas, trade ideas, anything you're working on, drop them in the comments down below. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a beat. And if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up so I know I am doing a good job. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care.